In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter records in Airtable. This skill is essential if you want to manage and analyze your data effectively by honing in on the exact information you need from your tables. Let's start by ensuring you're on the right path. First, you'll want to open the table or view that contains the records you're interested in. Think of this as selecting the right file from a filing cabinet. Whether you're working on tasks, managing client information, tracking orders, or sifting through CRM leads, the procedure is the same. This step is crucial as all your filtering actions will be applied here. So, double-check you've selected the correct table to avoid any unnecessary backtracking. Now with your view open and ready, let's direct our attention to the top toolbar. Here, you'll see several options, but our main focus is on the Filter button. Click this button to initiate the process of narrowing down your data. Picture this step as setting up a sieve. It helps clear away everything you're not interested in, leaving behind only the relevant information. Once the filter view slides in from the side, it's time to add a condition. Think of this as setting the rules for what you want the sieve to catch. First, select the field you're interested in. Let's say you're filtering a list of tasks. You might choose the status field if you wish to see only completed tasks. After selecting your field, it's time to specify your condition. This could be a variety of things, such as is not, contains, or does not contain, among others. Choosing the right condition helps refine your search parameters to identify exactly what data matches your criteria. Finally, conclude this process by selecting a value. Let's return to our tasks example. If you want to view only completed tasks, your chosen value might simply be completed. This ensures you only see records that match every aspect of your specified filter. With these steps, you've successfully filtered your records. The information before you should now be more manageable and tailored to your immediate needs. By utilizing Airtable's filtering feature, sifting through large datasets becomes less daunting and more intuitive, paving the way for more efficient data management. Remember, effective filtering not only saves time, but also enhances productivity by ensuring you're always looking at the right slice of data. You're now equipped with a vital tool in your Airtable toolkit, one that will help you keep your data organized and actionable. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial where we'll continue to unlock more features in Airtable.